Namaskar. Welcome to my channel. We are making a simple South Asian dish today. It's called Khichri. It can be made with simple lentil and rice. You can use any type of lentils in this. We are using red lentils today, and I will show you 3 types of different seasoning to make 3 dishes in one go. If you like the recipe, if you like the video, do press the like button. Subscribe to the channel. You have any comments to mention in the comment section below. And so let's begin.
To begin, take half a cup of rice and half a cup of lentils and soak both of these for 1 hour. We're taking basmati rice and red lentils here, but you can also use other varieties of rice and lentils, such as black lentils, mung beans, or pigeon pea. After soaking, add both of these to the same pot with about 5 cups of water. We will now add the quintessential seasonings such as turmeric and coriander powder. Now we add salt according to taste and 2 teaspoons of ghee or clarified butter. Now we add ginger garlic paste. Mix all of these well into the water. Generally we use 5 times the amount of water as the rice and dal combined, but if you prefer a drier khichdi, you can use 4 times the amount of water. Now we add 1 bay leaf. Cover the pot and pressure cook for 8 to 10 minutes. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can also make this in a rice cooker, Instapot, or conventional oven. You'll know the khichdi is done when it becomes of a semi-solid consistency, sort of like a savory porridge or risotto. Both the rice and dal become soft, and the dal beans are no longer clearly discernible. Here we see the advantage of using basmati rice and red lentils, as both of them cook in the same amount of time. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee or clarified butter to a pan. Once the ghee heats up, we add mustard seeds. Normally, khichdi uses cumin, but for the traditional South Indian taste, we add mustard seeds and 10 to 15 curry leaves instead. Next, we add sliced red onion and saute this for a few minutes. To this, add a medium tomato chopped into large chunks. For seasoning, we use Tsp Masala. Next, we add about half a teaspoon of salt, which helps both the tomato and onion cook faster. Saute this on medium heat until the onion becomes semi-transparent and the tomatoes become soft. You can add a little bit of water to help with the sauteing process. Once our tomatoes become soft, we add the khichdi. Mix well to incorporate the flavors. Continue to cook this on medium heat until the khichdi comes to a boil, and then your South Indian style khichdi is ready. Take ghee or clarified butter in a pan. Masala khichdi is a more traditional style of khichdi made in North Indian regions, and therefore it uses the more traditional cumin seeds for seasoning. So we add this to the ghee once it's hot, along with a couple of cloves. Next we add some diced onion, which we'll saute for a few minutes on medium heat. To this, add about half a teaspoon of salt. Add some garam masala for seasoning. To this, we add a medium tomato which has been diced into small cubes. You can also add some other vegetables such as carrots or peas. Both of these add to the nutritional value of the khichdi and also provide an interesting texture. Depending on what you add to the khichdi, it can become a complete meal since it already contains carbohydrates and proteins. Adding vegetables can therefore help it become a truly balanced meal. Cook this mixture on medium heat until the added vegetables become soft. If you'd like, you can also add some chopped green chilies for an added kick. Now we add our khichdi and mix it well with the rest of the ingredients. Continue to cook it on medium heat until the khichdi comes to a boil, and then your one-pot meal is ready. This style of khichdi is perfect to be eaten for lunch or dinner on lazy days when you don't really feel like making anything too complicated. Add 1.5 teaspoons of ghee to a pan. To this, we add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add a couple of pinches of asafoetida. Both cumin and asafoetida are essential spices for making the most basic form of khichdi. We add our khichdi and mix it well with the spices. This is the simplest kind of khichdi to make. It's light and it's a true comfort food. Traditionally considered to be one of the best things to make if someone is feeling unwell. It's also considered to be a good weaning food for toddlers since it's so easy to digest. Once again, all you need to do is to cook it slowly on medium heat until it comes to a boil, and then your khichdi is ready. Traditionally, this style of khichdi is served with ghee, although it can also be served with pappad, yogurt, or even your favorite kind of pickle.